This is a civil danger alert issued by your local authorities with the United States government. At this time, do not answer your door for anybody, do not look up, and do not look at other people. This is not a test. At approximately 7:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, people have gone into a state of homicidal rage when looking up or at people. Do not answer your door for anyone, no matter how human they seem. This is a required test issued by. This is only a test. Come outside, come outside. There is no emergency at this time. Disregard the last emergency. This is emergency broadcast issued by the United States government. Disregard the last emergency. The East broadcast was hijacked. This entity is still on the loose. Do not go outside. Do not answer your door for anybody. Do not look at other people. Do not look up.